Any reason why you brought this exparte application before the Supreme Court and the order of the court this morning?
We invoked the original jurisdiction of Supreme Court when there's a dispute between the state government and federal government. It's one of the few occasions where Supreme Court has the original jurisdiction. So we invoked the powers of the Supreme Court to hear this application. The reason for it is that as a well-intentioned as this policy of federal government of the design is working hardship all over the country. As we can all see, banks are being harassed, Nigerians are suffering needless, especially the downtrodden. Those in the urban areas, they're having problems, but it's more excruciating at the rural area. So these three state governments, Kaduna, Zamfara, and Kogi, deem it fit for us to invoke the powers of Supreme Court to intervene. And the Supreme Court has not just the final court, but a court of policy in its considered ruling, saw merit in our application and restrained the federal government and by extension the Central Bank of Nigeria from desisting from going ahead on 10th of February that the supply of the new notes will stop. So that is what has happened today.
Okay, let's see, to put it in a very clear and plain term to the layman on the street, what does this mean? What does it mean?
So what it means is that
this morning.
No, the other is an exparte, and because of the urgency and the affidavit of urgency filed by the applicants, the court in its wisdom decided that something must be done because of the urgency. But the court has rightly, in its own wisdom, directed that all processes must be there by 15th, that is Wednesday next week, for us to argue our various positions.
So does the CBN and other central bank need to be served the enrollment order so they can comply with the order of the court?
Well, that is not within my purview. If it were otherwise, perhaps I would have been able to comment on that.
Who are you representing in this place?
Attorney General.